Sir, kamusta pa after watching the film? Yung reaction ng mga tao?
Well, I've seen the film many times, but seeing it kanina sa premiere night, sarap ng pakiramdam because para kang may binuo na finally nakita mo na, tapos may nakakapanood na. So I was just really happy because of the response of the people, the audience, na naiintindihan nila yung journey nung magama, journey ni Maria Nien, tsaka yung isa namin kasama, Gerald Napoles. Yan magaling yan.
Nagbigay ng medyong comedy side.
Hindi, actually gusto niya mag-drama kasi sabi namin sa kanya, tol, hindi ka mag-drama.
Huwag kang
Wag ako, sabi ko.
Sabi ni Inigo, medyo nakarelate daw siya doon sa character ni Charlie.
We haven't talked about it. It's the first time I saw it. So, we'll see. We have to discuss about it because a lot of people have been talking about, the similarities sa buhay namin. Pero hindi naman siguro, film is a film. It's different, So, masaya lang ako kasi at least, maganda yung reaction. Yun lang naman ang bottom line na nagustuhan nila.